So here what I'm going to do is that I'm going to display a PHP code to display a success and failure messages. So here I'm going to say if is if is set, and then get edit success message. Then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to here say P, and then in this paragraph I'm going to say PHP, and then echo, and then I'm going to echo the message. I'm going to say echo edit success message, and I'm going to add here to this message, I'm going to add a class text center and color. So the color is going to be green. I'm going to say style color green, and then I'm going to close the PHP here code PHP curly bracket, and then close this. And in case of failure, in case we have an error and we want to display an error, I'm going to copy the same code and then I'm going to paste it below, but I'm going to change here. I'm going to change the key. I'm going to say edit failure message, and here I'm going to also say edit failure message, and the color is going to be red. Now back to the edit product. Now in the edit product, we need here to say if statement execute. If it's true, then we need to say header. We need to copy this and then paste it inside, and then we need to say products and then edit success message, and then is equal to product has been updated successfully. And in case of a failure, I'm going to say else, and then I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to copy the same exact line, this line. However, the key is going to be different. The request is going to here be edit failure message, and then I'm going to say error occurred, try again. And lastly, we need to fix three things actually. Here in this statement, update product set, product name, product description. Here I have a problem. I forgot to say here product price is equal to question mark. Also here product offer, it should be product special offer, because in the database it's product underscore special underscore offer. So this is a big problem. Another thing that I want to fix is here I should here say is set get product ID. Similarly in the else, I'm gonna say is set post edit button. And the last thing that I want to fix is the product ID. The product ID, since I'm gonna make the request on the same page, the product ID is gonna be null. Therefore, we need to store it in the form here in a hidden in a hidden field. I'm gonna say input, and then I'm gonna say name is equal to product underscore ID, and the value is equal to PHP echo product ID. And lastly, we need to give a name to this input. We need to give it not a name, we need to give it a type. So the type would be hidden. The type should be hidden. So we have a type, we have a name, and we have a value. At the top, we need to get the product ID. I'm going to say here product ID. So the product ID is going to be now equal to post, and then product ID. And here we pass it product ID, and don't forget the semicolon. Now everything should be perfect. Let me save everything and let's head on over to the browser to test. So now in the browser, let me here refresh first. Let me edit a product. For example, let me edit the first product. I'm going to click on edit. And let me here, for example, say yellow instead of white. I'm going to say yellow shoes. If I click on edit, as you can see, it says here product has been updated successfully, and here it says yellow shoes. And you can edit, of course, the price. Let me edit the price. I'm going to say 155. I'm going to say 195.5. And you can edit the category. Let me say shoes. And you can edit the color. You can say yellow. And the offer could be anything. Let's say 50% off. And then if I click on edit, here I should say, by the way, here I should this should be here it says let me type it one more time, and it should I think here it should be it should be a number, not a decimal. So we need to fix this. I'm gonna be fixing this, because now if I click on edit, it's not gonna work because this allows only numbers. And to fix this, we can simply change the type of the price to text, simple text. So this should be a text. And for now, I'm just gonna pass a real number, a complete number. And here it says 155 yellow shoes. Let me now try with this field. So if I say 195.5 and click on edit, it will be 195.5. So it works successfully.